Want HD video on WhatsApp status? For this, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and click on the Settings gear icon. Here you will see different options. Scroll through them and look for the Storage and Data option, then click on it. Again, multiple options will appear. Under the Media Quality section, tap on the Upload Quality option. Now change the option to HD quality. Next, open the Photos app and tap on the video that you want to share as status. After that, click on the Share icon. Now tap on any WhatsApp contact to share the video. Here, look at the top right corner, and you can see the HD selected icon. Now click on the Send icon. The video is shared in HD quality. Next, go to the Chats page and tap on the contact name to open the chat. Then tap on the Share icon beside the video, and then click on My Status. After that, at the bottom, add the captions if required, then tap on Forward. The video is updated as status. To verify, click on Updates. Here you can see the status with HD quality, and that's it.